In this video, I want to talk about how you can join Temu. So this is pretty simple, guys. Head over to temu.com or download the app on your phone, sign up for an account, and now you should be able to go. Then from in here, you can search for anything you want. In the search button, you can see best-selling items, 5-star rated. You can go to the categories right here, and you will be able to find stuff that you want. Now, I recommend before signing up, you get either your friend or someone you know to send you a referral code. What this means is you'll get some kind of promotion, and your friend or whoever sends it will also earn a referral commission. So go over to Temu Affiliate, or they need to do this. They need to quickly sign up. It takes a few minutes, and then they want to send you one of these codes. So this one is a 100. This is a little over $100. And when they send you this, what you're gonna get is a referral code. So if you click on this link and you sign up with this, you're gonna get like $110 or something for free that you can use. So that is basically how this works. Now, there are some rules to this. I believe you do have to deposit some money or something to get these, but you can also do this one. So this is a $0 gift. And if you sign up with this link, then your partner or whoever sends it is going to get the referral, and you're going to get the $0 gift. So I believe this is the best way that you can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.